Come on up, buddy. Hello, thanks for coming up to see me. Hello, what are you doing? Are you gonna build a nest out of Jinx? You gonna build a nest out of Jinx? He's gonna build a nest out of you. He's building a nest out of you. No, but Bandy likes to clean Jinx. He loves Jinx. Good Jinxie. Good Jinxie. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Look at that. He's cleaning Jinx. Oh, I tell you, between our house and Angie Dunham's house, we have the coolest possible animals on the planet. Hello, little man. Hello. What are you doing over there? No. No. Shit, idiot. Get away from my essential oils. You're shit. Oh, Christ. He's finding something to try to get high off of.